Ellarigu Namaskara. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the Little Things. Now today is Canada Day here in Canada, so we thought why not take a break from our regular videos and try out something different. Now I personally believe that food is something which brings people together, but unfortunately we are unable to go out and try the local food because of the current situation. But we do try our best to get the locally produced food whenever we do our groceries. Now my husband and I love our snacks, so we thought why not for today's video share with you all our favorite snacks which we discovered after coming to Canada. So I hope you guys will like this video and let's get started. Now this red and white beach towel is the most Canadian thing that we have, so we're gonna use that today. So after a lot of coaxing, my husband has finally agreed to be part of this video. So please, Mr. Rajesh, join us. So let's get started with our picnic. So the first thing is this Nature Valley granola bars, dark chocolate flavor. This is my favorite one. They do have other flavors like almond and honey, but this is our favorite. So it's not too sugary, and if you're someone like me who doesn't like sugary stuff, then this could be a perfect snack if you're feeling a bit hungry. You can find this in No Frills or even Dollarama. One thing that I want to tell about prices of stuff here in Canada is it's not fixed like how we have back in India, like MRP. Every store has their own price, and the same product can be $5 one day and the next day it could be $7. So you can't say like how we say in India, go get 5 rupees Maggie packet. That's not gonna happen. Some days it's gonna be 5 rupees, some days it's gonna be 10 rupees. So yeah, this one we got it for $188. 188 as in $1.88. Now the next item is something which you've already seen in one of our previous videos of Sharjah Shake, and that's Ovaltine. It's like a Horlicks substitute for us, and we both love it. And we prefer eating it just like that. And if I don't know whether you can make out, we've already finished half of the bottle just by eating it like that. Now we got this thing from a Sri Lankan market called Era in Scarborough. So if you're in Canada and you're craving for some Horlicks and you don't find it, then go for this one. You'll love it for sure. It's around 400 grams and it costed us around $4.88. Now I'm a huge fan of dark chocolates, and ever since coming to Canada I have been trying different percentage of dark chocolates, and my most favorite one is this one, Jackpot, and it's 74% cocoa or cacao, and we absolutely love it. Whenever we have some sweet cravings in the night, this is our go-to chocolate. Actually, once I got Lindt, it was 95%, and I realized it's too early to go for 95%. It was so bitter. I'll take my time, but I'm sure I'll reach there. But for now, I'm happy with the 74%. Now, if you're a fan of dark chocolate, then I highly recommend tasting this chocolate. You'll get it in Dollarama and it will cost you just $1.50. So, do try this one. So guys, a funny thing happened. We recorded the entire video just to find out that camera had stopped filming in between. So we have recorded just 3 snacks and we have 3 more to go. So yeah, we are doing it again. Rookie errors. Okay, so the next snack that we wanted to share with you all is one of our favorite, and that's this very local Canadian product called
Ayogo
or Yogo.
Whatever.
We don't know how do they pronounce it. Now they have many flavors, but we have 2 as our personal favorites, and that is pineapple, coconut, banana and mango flavor. Now as you can see in the first video, we have already filmed and have finished eating the pineapple flavor because it's our most favorite one. We would highly recommend trying this one if you come to Canada because it's really nice. The pineapple, coconut, banana flavor, you literally get chunks of those fruits in this. So it's really nice. And the other 2 flavors which you get in a pack, it's actually a pack of 16 units. It will cost you around $5.
4.88. Yeah, $5.
Yeah, and you will get it in no frills. The other 2 flavors are orange, mandarin. I absolutely hate this. And the next one is raspberry framboise. That's an okay flavor. But yeah, we managed to eat these 2 just because we want these 2 flavors. We haven't found the individual units, or else we would have got just these 2 flavors. But yeah, since we've already done eating this, we'll try mango.
Yeah.
Mango now. Now you can say, why can't you just eat curd and sugar? Of course, we love that one too. Very desi stuff. But yeah, when there's other good things in life, you can taste them too, right? So yeah. So this is the mango flavor. Don't mind me doing this. You shouldn't waste any food. Do remember to give it a mix because the fruit would be settled down. So really nice. So it's our favorite. Literally every day we can eat one of this. We both share it together and we eat one of it. So we really like it. So our next snack is nothing local. You'll find it even in India, but we started eating it after coming to Canada because back in India we used to find it to be a bit costly, and that is Pringles. Because in India I think it will cost you around 100 plus, right?
Yeah.
Right? So, but here it will cost you what? Sometimes $2-3 between that. You'll find it in
1.67.
one also. Yeah.
$1.67.
Yeah, it depends on the size of the pack. So, $1.50 to upwards. So yeah, our favorite is Pringles jalapeno flavors. Now you'll find so many different flavors in it. But pizza, barbecue sauce,
Onion.
yes, onion and sour cream, the plain salt flavored ones. You'll find all kind of flavors, but this is our personal favorite. So squirrel. Yeah, India taras.
Yeah.
We just spotted a normal Indian squirrel here right now, because all that we get to see here is the huge black or grey ones. But yeah. Yum. It's really nice.
When I was in India, maybe I have tasted it for some 2 to 3 times in my entire life. That's it. But after coming here, I don't even know how many times we have got this, you know. Actually, why don't you go and check out how many boxes of Pringles we have?
In India, we were happy just eating our local hot chips, Lays. But when we came here, we did try the local chips as well. So you will get huge packet of chips for just $1 or something. We did try different flavors, but it's too strong of flavors. Especially there's this one particular flavor. Hey, squirrel. Yeah. So there's this particular flavor called dill pickle. Never try it. It's literally like you're eating vinegar. It's really horrible. Never try that. Instead, try this. And even Lay's is available here, but it'll cost
Almost similar to
almost same to this price. So yeah. Instead of buying some additional air with Lay's, I prefer buying Pringles because it's just so subtle, and the best part is the packaging. I was always mesmerized. Even when I was in India, I used to love it. And how they have arranged this stuff, it's really nice.
And
It's
it comes with
uniform.
less plastic. So
Yeah. Actually, you can use this as storage bottles also if you
Jugaad.
want. Yeah,
Jugaad
Jugaad.
contain.
Jugaad container. You guys might be wondering why am I the only one talking mostly throughout the video. So now the spotlight is on my husband. He'll be talking to you about the next item because it's not my favorite, it is his favorite. So over to you.
So guys, the next product is nothing but Tim Hortons. So we couldn't complete the list without Tim Hortons. It's one of Canada's favorite
Yeah.
coffee, I would say, or national drink. Without this, people wouldn't survive even a day.
Yeah.
So it's just like cafe coffee day back in India. So now coming to Tim Hortons, there are many drinks and stuff, but the one which I liked in particular is French vanilla. My friend is the one who introduced this to me, so I loved it. And if you are new to Canada, please do try.
Now, if you ask me, I don't think I can say this out loud in Canada. People might kill me. I hate coffee. I don't like it. I hate the smell of coffee. Uh, but yeah, after coming here, he made me taste it, saying you should at least try it once. It's really nice and stuff. So you remember the video about IKEA haul which we did. So on our way back from IKEA is when I tasted my first Tim Hortons French vanilla coffee. In fact, that was the first coffee of my life. I had never tasted coffee till then. And if I have to give you my honest review, it tasted just like Kopiko. Do you know this candy Kopiko pocket coffee they call it? It tastes just like, trust me, it is just like that. It tastes just like that. He doesn't agree. He says it's a better version of it, but I find it to be like that. I have friends who love this coffee. I'm not a coffee person, so not a fan, but it's not like your typical South Indian filter coffee, you know. It's a very diluted version. I don't know. It's just not like that, I feel. So you guys can try it and let me know when you come to Canada. How did you find French vanilla from Timmy's, as they call it?
It's worth a try.
Yeah, you can try it once. So yeah guys, these were some of the food items which we really liked and regularly eat it, actually eat or drink in his case after coming here to Canada. You guys can give it a try too. We hope that you guys have liked this video, and we guess that's it for the day, and let us enjoy our mini picnic here in our backyard, for which we are actually really grateful for, because we have this kind of space here, because we actually don't go out anytime. So to be just staying at home is kind of depressing, so to do things like this, little things in life, becomes really important, I guess, for you to relax and rewind. So since he got an off today because of the Canada Day, we thought why not utilize it by doing this. So yeah, let us enjoy this picnic. You guys have a really great day. We wish for all of us to be blessed with abundant love, peace and happiness. Take care, and do remember, life's all about the little things. Bye bye.